Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? ఏంటిది?
Good to go. We are able to hear you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Na peru Harini. So I'm going to be your alumni today, and you need to allow people to unmute. Oh, there's a chat thing here. Oh, cool. Nice. It's great to see family as well. So hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to today's session. My name is Harini, and it feels really nice to greet everybody. Just wanted to start off with a small slokam. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. So it feels great to be part of this session. And I would like to first thank the faculty, Soumya ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, and everybody in the faculty team. Thank you for being a part of, teaching us and all that. So, yeah.
Harini.
Ma'am.
Hi, Harini. Actually, our students have planned a big introduction to you. You started it off.
Sorry,
I
ma'am.
request you to please wait for a while. One more thing, Harini, do you want the participants to unmute themselves and speak with you in between the session, or do you
Yes,
want them to wait and communicate to chat box?
Anything, ma'am. I think it's good that they unmute themselves, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Because
So okay, I request the host, Kirtana, to please give the rights to all the participants to unmute themselves.
Yes.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do
Sorry.
it.
Yeah, and I request Jayalakshmi to please introduce and start the session. Jayalakshmi?
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it.
Yeah, please.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to everyone. Thank you for joining us in today's webinar. I am Jayalakshmi, currently pursuing MBA from Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology. So firstly, I would like to sincerely thank and appreciate Sandhyarani Madam for being a pillar of support to us in every minute. I would like to thank all the esteemed faculty members for constantly and continuously encouraging, guiding, and directing us in every way. We are highly thankful to the professors from the faculty team from the bottom of our heart. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome our guest, Mrs. Harini Kartikeya, who is also an alumni of our college. It is not only a moment of happiness for us, but also an opportunity to live, to learn, and fulfill our dreams. When we approached Mrs. Harini Kartikeya to give a webinar for guiding us, she has readily accepted and received us in a very positive note and also spoke to us in a warm way. Though she is living in Australia with an unmatched timelines, she has accepted our request and made time out of her daily schedule to provide her valuable inputs on the topic career companion. What next? So I request Mrs. Harini Kartikeya to take over the session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for a lovely introduction. Sorry. Generally, when I was in college, I used to be like this. I used to start first. Adi alawat ayipindi. Sorry, guys. And sorry, ma'am. Okay. On that note, I'd like to start our session today. And so is everyone prepared? Can you guys unmute? Hello?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. So everyone, అందరూ meditate చేసి వచ్చారా session కి? Very good. So I'm extremely thankful
Sorry, guys, there is a small technical issue. Probably back soon.
Yes, ma'am. She has some technical issue. She'll be back in few minutes.
Yeah.
Guys, by the time Harini Akka is back to the meet, please be ready with your pen and notepad. As well as she told us to create a LinkedIn website. If you have already done, please be ready with that also.
Yeah, I joined back. Okay. Yes. Can I get the?
Kirtana, please give the co-host Harini.
Thank you. Sorry, ma'am. Internet suddenly disconnected.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. That's expected in online session, not at all a problem.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Screen 2. Okay. Is everyone able to see the PPT?
No, Akka.
Now?
No. Yeah. Now
Yeah, we can see
now
the PPT.
okay. Beautiful. Sorry about the inconvenience, guys. There was a small technical issue.
Not an
Firstly,
issue.
thank you. Okay, let's make this a two-way interaction session. I know that, COVID wala, we are not able to have those lovely classroom sessions. I wish I was in a classroom interacting with you guys face to face. But then COVID kind of did what it was supposed to do. So I'd like to start off the session. All right. And I've already introduced myself, but as I said, I'm thankful to faculty and everyone. I am thankful to my parents, my husband, my in-laws, everyone who's actually supporting me at this point in time. And so today's session is all about what is the required amount of skill set that an MBA student has to possess, right? We are also going to discuss about how an MBA student has to deal with daily life situations. The thing is, right, if I can say this, a bachelor student and a bachelor degree student and an MBA student, give them a similar situation, same situation. And I can tell you that a student with an MBA degree who has already developed or is in the stage of developing their problem solving and planning skills can handle that situation in a much more posh, refined, and classy manner. That is what this degree is going to give you. This degree is going to give you skills. Along with qualification, you'll actually gain the skills to survive in a thriving and extremely competitive job market. The beauty about Srinidhi's curriculum is that they've got so many management activities, so many subjects that you can make a career by getting strong in any of these subjects. I was not a finance student at all. Believe me, there was a day where I've actually gone to Samyam and I was like, ma'am, నేను చేయలేని ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ ని నా వల్ల కాదు అంటే ఆ రోజు మ్యామ్ నాకు ఒక టిప్ ఇచ్చారు. The one beautiful tip that she shared was, Harini, any technical financial jargon, if you find it difficult, write it down in a notebook. And JP, I think 6 years back, to be honest, ma'am suggested this Investopedia website, and aa roj nunchi ee roj varaku I still look at it. I still learn meanings, I still learn words, because in the end, that is what MBA does to you. It enhances your learning capacity to take on more. That's the beauty of MBA, and that's the beauty of Srinidhi College as well. So on that note, let's start the session. So yeah. Just a minute. F5. Function F5. Oh, yeah. Yep. So this is the screen sharing, guys, and this is how the PPT is going to look. So today's session is all about Career Companion, a short telltale story by an ex-Srinidhian, which is simply going to understand how this particular webinar session is going to assist you guys in knowing things, right? So firstly, I know that I've been introduced very, very beautifully and positively by Jayalakshmi. Thank you. And but going forward, I also wanted to tell you guys about who I am. So this session is about knowing each other in a very, very beautiful, enhanced manner, so that we can continue our relation of a teacher, alumni, and student association all our lives. So that is the outcome that I want from this session. And who am I? So I've joined Srinidhi in 2015 and passed out with an MBA finance degree in 2017. Currently, I'm living in Sydney. I work in the insurance underwriting space, and I am super duper happily married. I just wanted to let you know, guys, that marriage is actually a new beginning. Your career will never, ever, ever end because of marriage. In fact, marriage also gives you high-end amount of skill set, as long as you learn from your everyday situations with your family, in-laws, everybody around you. So learning skills anedi MBA course is what gives you the most. And then, so everyone's unmute, hey? Lovely. So can I ask you guys, what do you want to achieve after your MBA? A, job. B, married. C, business. D, party and travel. I always wanted to party and travel. How about you guys?
D.
I don't see any answers. Group chat lo undi, అందులో కూడా ping చేయొచ్చు మీరు. If that helps.
Business.
Easy. Cool.
Business travel. Cool. So okay. The thing is, right, no matter what you want to do, whether that's about getting a job, being married, business, party, or travel, you need to have a plan for it. Planning is one thing that I believe makes an individual stronger. Preparation is the key to any situation. Any situation. Being unprepared, ensure that your spontaneity skills are in place. Ledu, if it's like, if it's like something new, ensure that you're planned. Planning is the key. Easy? Let's go on to the next slide. And now that we have spoken about planning and things like that, how are we actually going to do it? That's what the next slide looks at. So now that everything's fallen into place, let's have a quick chat on our agenda today. So we will be dealing with 5 aspects. One is about PDSA, plan, tarvata do, study, act, and its importance. And then we'll be discussing about behavioral skills, change coping skills, importance of professional networking, and interview tips. So these are the 5 aspects that we would be looking into our session today. And second topic, when we actually have behavioral skills, I have one person with me today who's also joining us in the session. He's my own family member, my brother-in-law. His name is Vijay Raghavan, with 17 years of industry experience. And he would actually like to give his share of experiences and examples, being a leader himself back in India and even now. He'll give you examples about how the whole thing works. Right. So this is the agenda for today's session. And now let's get into the first aspect on how you can apply the PDSA cycle. Now, this is one thing that's worked the best for me. The thing is, no matter any situation, even when I was getting married, I was actually clueless on what sari I was supposed to buy. It was that confusing for me. I know that life is a mixture of confusions. To deal with that confusion, I actually applied this concept called PDSA cycle, which is plan, do, study, act. Now, let's look at next. Now, what is the importance of PDSA? The most important questions for you to answer would be, what are you trying to accomplish? ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ లో నుంచి మీరు ఏం చెయ్యాలనుకుంటున్నారు? What is the output that you want? You should always visualize your outcome, your output. You should always be sure about the end result. End result లేకపోతే don't even proceed with what you're trying to do. Right? Now that you know what your vision is, now that you know what your final outcome is, let us look at what is obstructing you from reaching your goal. What is stopping you from reaching your goal, right? There could be many obstructions. This is where I will always tell you that a calm mind is a beautiful weapon, which is probably one of the main reasons why I've asked everyone in the group chat to actually do your meditation and come, because a calm mind is the best weapon you can ever have to handle any situation. So mind wise, mental ga, you should not have any negative thoughts when you're actually set on achieving a task or an outcome. Easy. Next, now that you know what this is, now that you know what is obstructing you from achieving that task, you need to decide how you can stop it. What can you do to change that obstruction from actually stopping you to achieve your dream task, right? That is where this will come into place. ఈ 3 questions kanaka neeku answer dorkindi ante, you can actually be sure that whatever you're set out to do, if not 100% task achievement, kanisam 90% out. 10% you need to always leave room for error for any task, planned, unplanned, anything, because in the end, I know that a lot of things are not under our control. It's under God's control or anything. Sorry. And my personal experience is, ఈ PDSA అన్న cycle వల్ల it's very important to maintain a positive attitude towards all aspects of life. PDSA cycle తో పాటు I feel all of us need to have that positive attitude, because positive attitude and that self belief that hey, నేను చేయగలను ఈ పని, నేను చేయలేని పని, నేను చేయగలను ఈ అసైన్మెంట్, నేను చేయలేని అసైన్మెంట్ అనేది కనుక మీకు లేకపోతే you can, there is no point in the top 3. ఇగో ఈ 3 bullet points ఉన్నాయి కదా, sorry guys, ఈ 3 bullet points ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, there's no point of thinking about those 3 things without a positive, calm frame of mind. That's how it is, right? Now that we have understood about what PDSA cycle is, let's have a quick look at what else is needed. We have actually understood how to deal with a new situation in life, whether that be at work, college, assignment, intlo, baita, oka kotta situation, oka kotta environment loki enter ayinappudu ఈ PDSA cycle అనేది బాగా బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. And it's a very, very practical concept that's being used in every other part of the world. All right. Now, on that note, let us look at the next concept, which is behavioral skills. Okay. Behavioral skills are maybe it is an experiential and evidence-based approach for training employees, team leaders, managers to actually learn, practice, and implement behavior change and related attitudes to enhance personal efficiency and performance. This is where probably I would like to introduce myself. I've been part of Srinidhi for 2 years, and once that was done, I found my campus placement with Berkadia. I've been with them for a year and a half, and after that, my marriage got fixed, and I got married. And there was this 1 year after my wedding that I had to wait for my work rights to be processed. Then a 1 year low, I have actually learned behavioral skills and how it works at home and how it works outside, because when you're in a new environment, you need behavioral skills, and situations taught me how to behave in different environments, whether that be at home at my in-laws place, or నేను టూరిస్ట్ వీసా తీసుకుని ఆస్ట్రేలియాకి వచ్చినప్పుడు I have learned behavioral skills. And at home, my brother-in-law was an ops manager in Dell, so and my sister was working as well. They have beautiful careers themselves. They were the ones who actually taught me behavioral skills at home along with my parents. And one of my main inspiration to do my MBA is my brother-in-law, because he's an MBA holder himself from IIM Calcutta. And he was the one who kind of, became my mentor and my reason, my inspiration to do an MBA, because I could understand how it will assist you when you come into the management industry in a top leader position, right? And that is where behavioral skills help you out, right? So the reason why you need these skills is, guys, you need to make right impression with your leaders, with the faculty, with the teachers, with your parents, with your family. Aggression toti panla. And being extremely stubborn panla. You need to learn to be flexible. Now, ilanti concepts ni inka further ga discuss cheyadaniki, let's go into the next slide. Give me a minute, please. Easy. So behavioral skills are maybe basically as a human andarki undali, and especially when you are thinking of setting up your own business, client management ki undali, vendor management ki undali. If you're thinking of getting into the lifestyle that I am in, which is the 9 to 5 software and software lifestyle loki ravali, MNCs lo pan cheyali ante, these concepts are ones that I would like to focus today is on teamwork, goal setting, influencing skills, motivational skills, problem solving skills, self-learning, conflict resolution, agility, resilience, risk taking, and this most important trait is learning to say no. Nakidi, I'm an Indian myself. I am still learning this skill. And this one particular thing has been highlighted by Karthik, my husband, and he's like, you know what, we need to learn to say no. If you're not comfortable, you need to say no. And then this is something that I love and I have learned when I was like 13 or 14 years old, when my parents were like, Harini, nu idi cheyakuddu ante, I was like, నేను చేయను, నేను విన్ను అని చెప్పి నేను stubborn గా మా అమ్మతో అన్నాను. And that was when my mom taught me how to not be impulsive and have a controlled body language, polite, decent body language in every environment. So going individually, I think teamwork is something you need to learn. Meeku MBA curriculum lo iche projects kani lekapothe BCSS lo ma'am assignments kani, group activities kani, that is where you can get your foundation of being an absolute team player. Team lo naluguru unnaru anukondi, aa naluguru, they need to be on talking terms with each other. They need to interact, be sweet to each other, maintain cordial, warm relationship, even if you guys don't like each other. That is called being professional. That is where teamwork actually comes into play. And that is where you guys can achieve your collective group goal. That is how it works. All right. నెక్స్ట్ కమ్స్, సో టీమ్ వర్క్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాము. నేను ఇందులోనే గ్రూప్ కలెక్టివ్ గోల్ అని మాట్లాడాను. దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ గోల్ సెట్టింగ్ కమ్స్. ఇండివిజువల్ గా యూ నీడ్ టు బి క్లియర్, యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ అ క్లియర్ హెడ్ on deciding what works, what not works, and you need to be sure of getting that GPA. If your MBA degree MBA lekunda aithe, if you think that you cannot succeed, ensure that you succeed in your MBA. Ensure that you succeed in all your exams, marks, internals, assignments, office kellaka vaalla goals, business goals. The thing is, all organizations function through people's minds. So ee people mind lo ganaka ee goal undi, నేను ఏ పని చేస్తున్నా 100% కరెక్ట్ గా ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని చేస్తున్నాను, PDSS సైకిల్ వాడుకున్నాను, నా ప్లానింగ్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది, నా గోల్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది, నా ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అక్కడ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది అంటే గోల్ సెట్టింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్. And then influencing skills. This is where probably this is something that I've learned from my father. And influencing skills, convincing skills అనేవి చాలా చాలా important. Because if you are in a position where you need to plan, you need to influence people, you need to use your convincing skills, you need to be in a position to actually sell that idea. Selling is the unique selling, selling should be your USP. ఈ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అక్కడ. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సెల్ యువర్ ఐడియా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సంబడి టు యాక్చువల్లీ పుట్ మనీ ఇన్ టు యువర్ బిజినెస్, an angel investor to actually put into your main business, then you need to think about influencing skills. Motivational skills ఇది మనం ఎవ్రీడే లైఫ్ లో అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది. నేనైతే నా మోటివేషన్ కి I do a lot of meditation so that I am motivated from inside. Whatever energy is lost in my 9 to 5 job, I try to regain it back, and I try to get that motivation to get back to work the next day. Problem solving skills, believe me, this course is very much capable of doing of giving you the problem solving skills. And then self learning skills, this is where I excel at. I learn, and I think everybody has to learn and be motivated to be a self learner. Learn to look up the internet, learn to look at all the sources available to you, to see what is necessary to your next step in life, whether that be getting married, travel cheyalanuntunnara, flight tickets ekkada cheap ga unnayi. You need to know all these things, and that is where self learning comes into play. Conflict resolution, this is highly important. Ask me why. If you are working for someone, right, నేను నా పర్సనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇస్తాను ఇక్కడ. I do insurance underwriting. నాకు ప్రతి టాస్క్ కి 20 minutes ఇస్తారు. And now they're like, Harini, so 20 minutes, 2 tasks ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి, 20 + 20 40 minutes, but they wanted in 30 minutes. ఆ 30 minutes లో క్వాలిటీ విత్ స్పీడ్ అంటే నేను ఆ రెండిట్లో ఏది అర్జెంట్ ఫస్ట్ తెలుసుకోవాలి. రెండు అర్జెంట్ ఉంటే కష్టం కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ వెన్ నాకు ఆ రెండు కాన్ఫ్లిక్టింగ్ అనిపిస్తాయి. ఆ రెండు అవ్వాలి, ఆ రెండు అవ్వలేదు అంటే మై కంపెనీ హ్యాస్ టు పే ది ఏమంటారు ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇంపాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ది గవర్నమెంట్ విల్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ మేకింగ్ అ బ్రీచ్. ఆ టైమ్ లైన్ లో, ఆ డెడ్ లైన్ లో వర్క్ డెలివర్ అవ్వలేదు. That is where your mind comes into play. Probably that is where being calm comes into play, so that you can actually decide which is the first task to be completed, and then what's the second one. First task idi ani meeru decide aina మీ బాస్ డిసైడ్ అవుతారో లేదో తెలియదు. అక్కడ కన్విన్సింగ్ స్కిల్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ స్కిల్స్, రైట్? సో అక్కడ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ రెజల్యూషన్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ఇట్, ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ స్కిల్స్ ని, కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ రెజల్యూషన్ ని నేను కింద పెట్టాను so that I can actually explain. And agility and you need to be agile, you need to be able to flexible ga fast ga work ayipali. Resilience, you need to be strong, you need to have that stamina to take pressure, stress and handle life. ఇంట్లో ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది, బయట ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది. నేను ఫారెన్ కంట్రీలో ఉంటున్నా కాబట్టి నాకు లైఫ్ అంతా ప్రెషరే. ఇట్ డజంట్ వర్క్ లైక్ దాట్. రెసిలియన్స్ అనేది ఉండాలి. యు నీడ్ టు బి స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇనఫ్ టు సర్వైవ్ ఇన్ ఎనీ గివెన్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఇఫ్ దాట్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్ టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ డయట్, సో బి ఇట్. గోయింగ్ జిమ్మింగ్, సో బి ఇట్. You need to be absolutely strong individuals. You need to take care of your health, let that be physical health, mental health. Everybody has to take care of themselves, because మీరు ఇంటర్నల్ గా బ్రేక్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నారు మెంటల్ గా అంటే that is not being resilient, that is being weak. And weak individuals ki ee world lo asal space ledu, because I'm seeing competition from different countries in my own profession. I have Koreans working with me, I have Southeast Asians, I have Pakistanis, I have so many people from different countries working. And to be honest with you, ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళది ఒక్కొక్క mindset, and everybody brings their strengths to play at work so that they are performing better than me. నాకు అక్కడ వచ్చిన స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఏంటి అంటే ద రెసిలియన్స్. ఐ డూ మై ప్రిపరేషన్, ఐ గో విత్ అ కామ్ మైండ్ టు వర్క్ సో దాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఇనఫ్ స్పేస్ విత్ ఇన్ మై హెడ్ టు అకామిడేట్ మోర్ ప్రెషర్, టు అకామిడేట్ మోర్ స్ట్రెస్. సో ఇంటర్నల్ గా మీరు స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండాలి అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఈ స్కిల్స్ అన్ని ఉండాలి. చూడండి, టీమ్ వర్క్, గోల్ సెట్టింగ్, ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్, అప్పుడు మీరు రెసిలియంట్ అవుతారు. Right? And then risk taking is something that you need to be aware of. Like let us say, ఇప్పుడు ఒక పని చేయాలి, ఆ పని వల్ల కష్టం అవుతుంది, లేదా ఒక న్యూ టెక్నాలజీ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి, ఆ టెక్నాలజీ వల్ల ఇట్స్ లైక్ రిస్క్ ఉంది అంటే, what I can tell you is do something that will actually minimize your risk, but still the risk aspect is being considered, right? And then most important trait is learning to say no. If in an organization, see, when it comes to faculty and assignments, guys, do not say no. It doesn't work like that, because faculty anede meekosam unnaru. So faculty em chepte adi meer akkada apply cheyali, because 5 years down the lane, if you look at me, నేను ఈరోజు ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నాను అంటే ఆ రోజు ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఏం చెప్పారో నేను అది చేశాను, నాకు దానివల్ల చాలా బెనిఫిట్స్ వచ్చాయి. సో లర్నింగ్ టు సే నో has to be very, very suitable to that given situation. ఆఫీస్ లో మిమ్మల్ని 9 to 5 చేసి 5 to 6 ఇంకో ఎక్స్ట్రా గంట పని చేస్తావా గుడ్ విల్ కింద అంటే అప్పుడు మీరు నో చెప్పండి, తప్పేం లేదు. దట్స్ హౌ ఇట్ వర్క్స్. అండ్ దెన్ నాట్ టు బి ఇంపల్సివ్, దీని గురించి నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. అండ్ ఆన్ దిస్ నోట్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇవ్వాలి అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ మై బ్రదర్ ఇన్ లా ఆన్ ద లైన్, విజయ్ రాఘవన్. Atti, would you like to speak about your experience, and would you like to also discuss about the examples on why behavioral skills are important from a leader's perspective? Hello?
Yep. Hi, can you hear me?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Vijay.
Hi, can you hear me?
Atti, unnara?
Yeah, we can hear him.
Vijay, we can hear you fine.
Hello?
Hello, everyone. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay, perfect. Hi, guys. My name is Vijay. It's an honor to be a part of this session. And regarding behavioral skills, I think Harini has covered the entire topic pretty beautifully. And before we begin, I hope all of you all are keeping safe, staying at home. I've heard that the situation is getting worse in India. So please stay safe, not just for your own self, but also for others around you. So talking about behavioral skills, basically, this is nothing but it's a skill that you exhibit during your daily life, your job, or during your interview, because behavioral skills usually talks about what kind of a person you are. Me nature atlantidi, what is your mindset, how good you are in dealing with any given situation, be it in real time in your life or even in an office atmosphere. So since you're students, especially doing such a tough course like an MBA, because I'll call it tough. Endukante I personally started as a graduate. I completed my graduation and then I got selected at Dell through a campus interview in Hyderabad. And freshly out of the college, there were quite a few technical and professional aspects that I learned during my during my job, which they call it on the job training. And there are many fine or niche skills that MBA teaches you, which actually is embedded as part of your professional curriculum when you join any organization. So qualities like general management or learning about international business, learning about strategy management, finance or marketing, even these are the things that you learn in a job. It's either through a paid course or your company feels that you're someone who has a strong skill set in that area and then invests money in you. But as an MBA graduate, you are learning most of the skills during your course in your college, and then you're presenting yourself as someone who's already learned or already has a theoretical understanding of these concepts, and that's why market law they do value MBA graduates when it comes to uh, you know I would talk about IT, and I've been in IT field for the last 17 years. So there is always a slightly higher weightage because you guys learn quite a few skills and management skills at a college level itself, as compared to an employee who started as a graduate and then is trying to develop all of these skills while working. So yeah, uh, just to give you a classic example, when we speak about behavioral skills, it actually talks about how you present yourself. Okay, and one of the most important skill that I attribute myself is resilience. So resilience and toughness. Okay, so it basically talks about how quickly you recover yourself from a difficult situation and keep marching forward without uh, the sense of failure, because most of you might have heard failure is a stepping stone of success. Failure is not the end of everything. And the example I can give you is, uh, first and foremost, when I had my job interview or campus interview at Dell. So the day when we had campus interviews, there were about uh, 8 or 9 companies who did interviews at at my college. I did my graduation from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans in Sainik Puri, and yeah, first company was IBM, and then it was Genpact, HSBC. Uh, I got rejected. I got rejected in all of these companies, and only there were like 3 or 4 days where they had group discussions. Gani, they talk about, tell me yourself, why should I hire you? So these are all common questions where they try to uh, judge you based on what kind of a person you are. If you are someone who is uh, trustworthy, okay, you, what they'll try to understand is, are you looking at their company as a job to earn some pocket money, where you just stick around for 1 or 2 months and then maybe you just fly off to the US or somewhere else, but it's something that you wouldn't want to portray yourself during the interview, right? It might be the fact, which has just happened many a times. But yeah, so whatever reasons, I got rejected in almost 7 companies, if I'm not wrong, and including Dell. So yeah, I was pretty shattered. And end of the day, I remember sitting and crying at the bus stop, just because and all of my closest friends underselected were. They all of them got jobs on the same day in some company or the other. And then that's when uh, I spoke to my mom, and she said, it doesn't matter. It's okay. Just keep trying. You keep trying. You make sure that you prepare yourself. You understand all of these questions and speak to every person who's already working. You'll have friends who are already working. Speak to them. If you remember these questions, put these questions forward to them, and then see what the best answer is. So that's when I learned, no matter what field you're in, no matter what work you do, even if you're, running your own business, or if you're going to join IT, or if you're going to do, anything that pleases you, even if it's sport. What matters the most is the process that you follow. Okay, if the process breaks, మీ పద్ధతి ఏదైతే ఉందో, మీరు whatever process మీరు సెట్ చేసుకున్నారో అది బ్రేక్ అయింది అంటే your end result will break. Okay, and that's where you develop the process of resilience. You might have seen it in a lot of movies where the hero fails like first 5 or 10 times, and then when it's the ultimate situation, he scores a goal, or he hits the final six, because he never stopped training, or he never stopped continuing his his sessions with his mentors, and even praying from a spiritual perspective. So I made sure that I followed the process, and 4 days later, one of my cousins who was already working in Delhi referred me, and then I cracked the job. So that's what resilience taught me at a very early career, or at a very early stage in my life, even before I began my professional career. So similarly, I'm pretty sure మీ అందరికీ you would have had specific scenarios where you just felt like giving up, na valla gaadu idi, and someone picked you up, or something, some situation. It could be anything. It could be like Harini says, she talks about meditation. It could be anything that calms you, that picks you up, and that is most important. So whenever you feel, because right out of this, after this course of yours, you will be out in the market, you will be beginning your ambitions, you will be slowly stretching your wings to start flying high. And yeah, I don't want to be really blunt here, but you will come across situations where you might not succeed, right at the outset, but never let that bring you down. Always think about one situation in life where no matter how many hurdles you came across, you still emerged as as a success. And the kind of competition always is with yourself. Okay, never ఒకసారి మీ కాలేజ్ దాటిన తర్వాత never, it's always how you're always competing with your own self every year, how good you're becoming year on year, and how uh, how much you're improving your skill set. And that's what matters the most. So yeah, I think with that example, I did cover quite a few things, because it talks about self-learning. And in the current situation with all you folks, I'm sure most of you have 4 or 5 times more applications than I have on my phone. So yeah, anything you hear about, even if you are speaking to your your classmate, or if you watch the news, anything that you think you're not familiar with, try to research and try to understand what it is. Because e present scenario lo, if you talk about IT, just to be giving you an example, because I'm in that field, it's important to be a jack of all trades. Jack of all trades ante anni viddyalu తెలిసినవాడు. So it's important to be a jack of all trades than being master of one. ఎందుకంటే if your specialization is just one, like if you're just a bowler, ఇప్పుడు IPL example తీసుకుంటే no one will pick you. Everyone wants an all-rounder. You need to be a bowler, you need to be a batsman, you need to be a wicket keeper. Football తెలిస్తే ఫుట్బాల్ టీంలో కూడా తీసుకుంటారు. So it's very important that you keep learning at every stage in your life, and be a jack of all trades. Yep.
Thank you, Atri. That was really inspiring, beautiful, and thank you. So on that note, let's go ahead. So guys, so far any questions unnaya? You can actually ask in the group. I'm happy to give around 2 minutes. Do you have any questions so far? You've learned about a lot of things today: PDSA, behavioral skills. You've learned about resilience, learning to say no. You can either ask in the group chat or you can ask on the WhatsApp group. I'm online all over. So yeah. Nothing so far? All good. All good. No worries, guys. Okay, on that note, let's go ahead further and let's look at the other commonly important needed skills that need to be worked on and developed. Let's go to the next slide. So this is where probably I'd like to speak about change. Change is something, life is absolutely uncertain. When you're 13, you're actually going to school, and when you are 22, 23, in my case, I was actually doing 22, I was working, 23, I was doing my MBA. So ikkada, the one thing, and then 24, I got engaged, 25, I got married. The one thing that I'm trying to speak about age is maturity to adapt to your environment. At the moment, I understand that both, all MBA students in this session today are only interacting with two environments, which is your college and at home. These are the safest environments. These two are the best environments for you, where you guys are actually safe. These skills develop by a time level mistake ante, there is actually room for correction because you have your parents, you have teachers to guide you and correct you in case you commit a mistake. But once you're out of college, wrong decisions, wrong mistakes can actually impact your life. Right? So for me, the biggest change that happened to me was actually getting married to a new family altogether, meeting a new person, flying to a new country. It's been crazy. It's absolutely been crazy. I'd like to actually give credit to my family, friends, faculty, because even faculty and even after I got married, I was actually doing my session. I was doing my project. So I kept coming to college and in a project and I got my work rights and I flew to Australia. That is where I experienced biggest change with people, culture, environment, everything. It's been so crazy for me. That is where I have learned how to deal with change, right? Now, the greatest, let us look at it this way. Easy. Positive change. Yes, నేను MBA అయింది నాది, నేను బాగా చదువుకున్నాను, నాకు మంచి జాబ్ వచ్చింది. Easy, done, dusted, అయిపోయింది. Now let's look at the negative ones. Negative అంటే ఏంటి? Losing a loved one, losing family. COVID has hurt all of us, and I know that everyone is in a very, very, very tense state of mind. Accidents. That is all personal. I understand. But how do you cope with it? Alanti situations lo, I have 4 tips for you guys to deal with it. That can be heartbreak, that can be failing in a subject, that can be intlo tittaru, leda faculty tittaru, ledu idanta kaadu, anything negative. Please understand that all these things are being done so that you can shape your personalities, and tomorrow you can actually stretch your wings and fly with pride. That's what happened to me. I happily flew abroad because I learned so much. This the negative aspects of my life and positive. Now, how do you deal with it? First point, accept cheyandi, adi aindi. That's how it happened, and it's okay to not be okay. Aindi, fine, okay, ఇంకేం చేయగలము, ఫైన్. ఆ టైంలో మీ మైండ్ అనేది చాటర్ చేస్తుంది, కీప్స్ చాటరింగ్. హే ఇది అది ఇది అది, నీ వల్ల అయింది, నువ్వే చేసావు అని చెప్పి మీ బ్రెయిన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయాలంటే వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సజెస్ట్ ఇస్ టెల్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్, మీ మైండ్ లోపల యువర్ మైండ్ అండ్ యువర్ కాన్షియస్. హే, కాన్షియస్ ఇస్ వాట్ రూల్స్ యూ, మైండ్ ఇస్ టెక్నికల్. ఇదేమంటే వాట్ ఎవర్ యువర్ హార్ట్ సేస్, యువర్ మైండ్ లిసన్స్. కరెక్ట్? హార్ట్ నుంచి నీ బ్రెయిన్ కి చెప్పండి, I am not the victim. My situation is the victim. ఇది మీ బ్రెయిన్ ని కామ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు మీరు చెప్తూనే ఉండండి మీ బ్రెయిన్ కి, ఇట్స్ నాట్ మై మిస్టేక్, ఇట్స్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్. Now that the brain is calm and quiet and it's done with the healing and agony dealing process, let's look at the introspection. Let us understand what part of your action, reaction and response could actually
what part do you think you could have done so that you actually adapted to that change? Naku country change ayindi. Believe me, I was not prepared for the amount of health issues that I got. I don't know, నాకు మైగ్రేన్ అనేది కొత్తగా డెవలప్ అయింది. I don't have it anymore. అండ్ దెన్ నాకు మైగ్రేన్ అనేది డెవలప్ అయినప్పుడు నేను ఆస్ట్రేలియాకి వచ్చినప్పుడు విటమిన్ డి డెఫిషియన్సీ గురించి చెప్పారు. అదొకటి. అండ్ దెన్ రెండోది, వేరే కంట్రీ వాళ్ళతోటి వర్క్ చేయాలి అన్నారు. వాళ్ళ వర్కింగ్ స్టైల్స్ ఏంటో తెలియదు. అండ్ బిలీవ్ మీ, ఐ వాజ్ అండర్ ప్రిపేర్డ్, బట్ దే వర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఫ్రమ్ డే 1. ఆ కాంపిటీషన్ ని నేను తట్టుకోలేకపోయాను. అప్పుడు నా బ్రెయిన్ చెప్పింది, హరిణి, యు ఆర్ నాట్ ద విక్టిమ్, యువర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇస్ ద విక్టిమ్. బట్ డూ యూ నో దట్ యూ కుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ so that you could handle your migraine by actually fixing it? You could have taken vitamin D medication. I said, okay, fine. That's one thing. Second, competition survive avvali ante what was the one thing that I had to do? Go back to my MBA, go through all the PPTs so that my confidence lies with the skills that college gave me, and the PPTs, the study material that college gave me, I went through. And believe you me, I was underprepared for the market, for the jobs, but I was not underprepared when it comes to concepts. నేను మళ్ళీ ఇండియాకి వెళ్ళి స్ట్రాటజిక్ అకౌంటింగ్ 4,000 రూపీస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో కోర్స్ చేశాను. I think around 2019 before flying to Australia. And then I got my work rights, I moved here. But what I'm trying to say is, do not forget your concepts, always be prepared, and monitor your reactions and responses to situations. And then adapt to the change, because and you need to adapt, and you need to be sure that your efforts are real. Endukante sincere, real and honest efforts lekunda nobody can go ahead with life, right? Next, this is where probably scheduling and prioritization comes into play. The thing is, right, everybody is always short of time. And when you have so many things to do in one aspect, like when you have so many things to do and you have less amount of time, you need to be a master of planning, right? That is where I can exactly identify what you can do to ensure you do good number of tasks in a less limited amount of time. Daniki planning is necessary, and that is where the answer is. Capture everything on a list. Master sheets create cheskondi, Excel sheets create cheskondi, sticky notes petkondi, right? And prioritize each task on goals, monthly, weekly, daily. You need to be correct with your figures, numbers, and then prioritize your tasks based on urgency. ఏది ఎప్పుడు చేయాలి, ఎలా చేయాలి, మీకు క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి. లేదా ఫోన్ లో రిమైండర్స్ పెట్టుకోండి, లేదా యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ యాప్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఇస్, సో దట్ pops up as a reminder. My father aithe, he actually uses Google Calendar, and that's so sweet. So adi, and then you can also separate tasks with similar priorities using A, B, C, D, E. ఈ ప్లానింగ్ అనేది I'm sure Nana taught me, because my father does so many caterings. He's never missed doing any catering. ఎందుకంటే ఒక డే లో there were times where he had to do 15 caterings, and all caterings were super hits. That's because ఆయన నాకు ఈ టెక్నిక్ నేర్పించారు. And he did not miss one catering. 16th catering అనేది ఆ రోజు లేదు. 15 caterings అంటే అన్ని 15 అయ్యాయి. ఆ టెన్షన్ లో, ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ లో Nana did not miss doing 15. Nana did not miss doing 15 and 14 చేసి ఆ 1 ఫర్గెట్ అవ్వలేదు. సో 15 కరెక్ట్ గా అయ్యాయి. That's how it is. Quality with speed అనేది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. And then prioritize your most important tasks when you feel awake. Your brain has to be highly active. And then be flexible. మీరు ABC రొటీన్ లో సి మార్చాలి, బిని సికి పెట్టాలి అంటే సో బి ఇట్. కానీ బ్యాక్ ఫిల్ అనేది చేయండి. అరే బీసీ అయింది, సిబి అయింది, మరి ఏ ఎక్కడ అంటే ఏని కూడా మీరు చెయ్యాలి. యు నీడ్ టు ప్లాన్ యువర్ డే లైక్ దాట్. ఈజీ. అండ్ దెన్ కీప్ అ ట్రాక్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ వర్క్ టువర్డ్స్ యువర్ డెడ్ లైన్స్. అండ్ థింక్ అండ్ ప్లాన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ డే. నెక్స్ట్ డే ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అనేది పడుకునే ముందు ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి మీ డేని. Okay. And inkoti guys, respect dates and deadlines. That's highly mandatory, because I work for a financial institution. And what I know is that if we don't report whatever's happening in terms of the company transactions, all our trial balances and ledgers before the end of financial year, or 1-2 days after that, I know that my company will be fined 1 million. I wouldn't want to do that, right? And antundi financial impact oka company ki ayindi ante personal ga meeku if you miss your deadlines enta avutundo aalochinchandi. Easy. Next, this is where probably I'd like to thank Karthik for teaching me this skill, which is professional networking. This is essential and imperative. Networking ante em leda,
let us say that మీరు ఒక కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు, లేదా you know that somebody is working and you know that they are holding higher amount of skill set than you. Go to them, మాట్లాడండి, అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి, స్వీట్ గా మాట్లాడండి, and ensure that you speak to them in such a way that మీకు కావాల్సిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చు. That's all about networking, and it has to be done the right way. Because networking will help you develop and improve your skill set, stay on top of the job market, and you'll be updated in terms of latest developments. Nenu Australia ko vachinappudu I started working for a completely new concept of finance, which is superannuation. I was clueless about it, but the one thing that helped me stay on top of my game was networking. I knew that I joined a company, I immediately became friends, and I found my mentors who were actually teaching me the numbers, how superannuation works, why insurance underwriting is important, how funds are invested. And I got, and then that helped me, and that helped me create long-term relations. Endukante nenu networking chesanu kabatti naku next role, which is my insurance underwriting, vachesindi. When I joined as a CSO, customer service officer ga join ayyanu. And then 11 months lo I created networks, my performance was happening, my daily cycle, PDSA ivanni nadustunayi. On top of that, network cheyadam valla insurance underwriting lo eppudaithe role padindo, I applied and I immediately mastered it. Networking helped me find my next role, right? And then it improves your creative intellect. You'll understand and you'll be noticed by long-term people. Repoduna evana roles padna market lo mee team leaders mimmalni notice chesaru ante, you will be automatically promoted. But you need to make attempts, and networking is an attempt that everybody has to make, right? Ungoti certificates, marks, ivanni are highly appreciable, andarki vastayi. Guys, believe me, Srinidhi, you are a Srinidhian within the college, kani meeru once you pass out, your competition is with IIM, adi next level. Adi you're dealing with MS, MBA, IT. The competition is crazy. Our time lo we are not sure if they know networking, కానీ మీకు వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, మీ సింప్లిసిటీ వల్ల, మీ గుడ్ attitude వల్ల, down to earth attitude వల్ల, మీ inquisitive nature వల్ల, who knows, you could be getting the next job. So that is where your soft skills and networking matters. And growth and status, I just wanted to add one point here. మీ దగ్గర కుదిరింది అంటే start networking with your seniors, start spamming people on LinkedIn. నేనైతే అదే చేశా. Believe me, I'm applying for roles now in the market, but I know that all those senior people are already there in my LinkedIn list. So దాని వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది అంటే I know what their department in the company is up to. Easy. So the tip is, the contacts you keep today attribute to your growth. Your connections are powerful. Next, interview tips. This is where I would like to probably talk about interviews. Number 1, interview ki ellala vodda అన్న సెకండ్ థాట్స్ పెట్టకండి, వెళ్ళండి ఇంటర్వ్యూకి. బికాస్ మీకు మార్కెట్లో ఏం నడుస్తుందో తెలుస్తుంది, కరెంట్ ట్రెండ్స్ అండ్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేవి మీకు తెలిసిపోతాయి. ఈజీ. నెక్స్ట్, ఏ కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారో కూడా తెలుస్తుంది. దాంతో ఏంటంటే శ్రీనిధి వాళ్ళు పబ్లిక్ లో షైన్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ సెషన్ వాళ్ళు ఐమ్ షూర్ అందరూ షైన్ అవుతారు. అలా అవ్వాలి అంటే ఇవి చేయండి. Do your research on the role and the company that you apply for, right? Next, మీ రీసెర్చ్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ గా చేయండి, as long as it's meaning మీ బ్రెయిన్ కి ఎక్కాలి, right? Next, tailor your resume according to the job description. ఒక జాబ్ లో ఇవి స్కిల్స్ కావాలి అంటే మీ రెజ్యూమేలో మీకు ఆ స్కిల్స్ ఉన్నా లేకున్నా కూడా పెట్టండి. బికాస్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి డెవలప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, బట్ పెట్టండి. As long as you don't lie about it, you need to know about the skill, but yeah, పెట్టండి. Easy. Next, match your suitability for the role in your resume. మీరు ఆ రోల్ కి ఫిట్ అవుతారా లేదా అనేది మీకు తెలియాలి, రైట్? బికాస్ ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ ది దీస్ ఆర్ ద టిప్స్ దట్ మై హస్బెండ్ గేవ్ మీ. హి ఈస్ అన్ ఐటీ రిక్రూటర్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ది ఆస్ట్రేలియన్ మార్కెట్. అండ్ నేను ఆస్ట్రేలియా ల్యాండ్ అయిన ఐ థింక్ 4 days లో నాకు నా కరెంట్ రోల్ వచ్చేసింది. ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే దానికి ముందు 6 months నాకు ఈ గ్రూమింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్ కార్తిక్ తోటి అయింది. వెన్ ఐ వాస్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ మై వర్క్ రైట్స్. నాకు అప్పుడు లీగల్ గా వర్క్ రైట్స్ లేదు, సో ఐ కుడ్ స్టార్ట్ వర్కింగ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. బట్ ద మినిట్ ఐ గాట్ మై వర్క్ రైట్స్, ఐ వాస్ వెయిటింగ్ టు గెట్ బ్యాక్ ఇన్ టు ద జాబ్ మార్కెట్ అండ్ get back into the workforce. Naki tips anni help ayya. And then show your transferable skills for the skills you don't currently have in job description. Sare నాకు ఇది లేదు కానీ హే నా దగ్గర ఇంకోటి ఉంది, మీరు అది చూడండి అని చెప్పండి. Let us say ఇప్పుడు numbers రావు. I was very bad with numbers when I was in my MBA. My friend used to get always correct answers in stats, finance, Harinath Reddy. He used to always get it. నాకు ఎప్పుడూ వచ్చేది కాదు. And I used to be jealous of him for that. But he was good with numbers. That was his skill, right? When it comes to me, నా దగ్గర అది లేకుండే కానీ నా దగ్గర కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్ ఉండేది. దట్ వాస్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫరబుల్ స్కిల్. అండ్ టుడే ఐ నో దట్ నేను ఆ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ తోటి బాగా నెట్వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి టుడే ఎవ్రీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అప్లికేషన్ దట్ ఐ అండర్ రైట్ the value matches with the amount of sum insured the member wants and the amount of sum insured that I am offering them as risk, right? Next, write a targeted cover letter to showcase your suitability for the role. మీరు ఒక రోల్ కి అప్లై చేసుకుంటున్నారు అంటే కవర్ లెటర్ రాయండి. I think I can share the format, all right, either in the group chat or I can email one of you guys. అది షేర్ చేయండి ఆ format. You need to create a cover letter because cover letter అంటే ఏం లేదు, 2 minutes లో the recruiter who's hiring you has to be convinced that you're suitable for the role. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు TVM, time value of money. A recruiter is always short of time to hire the right people because there are so many people applying for one role. One role is equal to 100 applications. A 100 applications లో మీరు 99th అయ్యారు అనుకోండి, what if he doesn't have the right time? ఈ కవర్ లెటర్ అనేది హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే రెజ్యూమే అనేది ఇట్స్ 3 pages, too many words, too many applications, too much of brain work, recruiter gets annoyed. వద్దు. అలాంటి టైంలో మీరు ఈ కవర్ లెటర్ అనేది రాశారనుకోండి, జస్ట్ 5 to 6 brief lines to understand why you're good for that role, మీ స్కిల్స్ ఏంటి అనేవి మీరు రాశారు ఆ కవర్ లెటర్ లో అంటే సెట్, రైట్? దెన్ స్పీక్ కన్సైజ్ విత్ కంటెంట్ క్లారిటీ అండ్ డు నాట్ ఓవర్ ప్రమోట్ యూసెల్ఫ్. స్పీక్ కంటెంట్ అంటే గైస్ వెన్ యూర్ స్పీకింగ్ టు అ రిక్రూటర్ 3 minutes. 3 minutes lo what you can do to ensure that you sell your skills for that person to invest money on you, train you, to hire you. Easy, clarity, full చెప్తున్నా కదా, కంటెంట్ ఉండాలి, క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి, కన్ఫ్యూజన్ కి ప్లేస్ లేదు. ఒక MBA స్టూడెంట్ కి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనేది ఉండకూడదు. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉన్నారు అంటే పేపర్ పైన రాసుకోండి, విచ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ యూ, రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి, ఫ్యాకల్టీని అడగండి, గూగుల్లో చూడండి, ఎక్కడైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండకూడదు, right? And then calm composure is highly mandated. A calm mind is the best weapon అని నేను ఎప్పుడు నమ్ముతాను. calm composure అనేది ఉండాలి. ప్రెషర్ లో మీరు మాత్రం అగ్రెసివ్ గా రియాక్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు, ప్రెషర్ లో మీరు ఏడవకూడదు, ప్రెషర్ లో దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ థింక్ ఈవెన్ మై టీమ్ లీడర్ డస్ జోఆలం. ఐ నో దట్ ఆ అబ్బాయి పైన ఎంత ప్రెషర్ పెడతారంటే మా టీం వాళ్ళు అండ్ ఈవెన్ ది ఆప్స్ మేనేజర్స్, దట్ మ్యాన్ డజంట్ బ్రేక్. I've seen Karthik, he's a talent acquisition business partner, continuously hiring people. That man doesn't break. ఎందుకు అంటే they have వాళ్ళ రియల్ లైఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో ఛాలెంజెస్ తోటి they've actually learned what calm composure is and they have gone ahead to succeed in life. Next, ఇది చాలా చాలా important. I know that whatever we have discussed today is absolutely conceptual, skills and all that. That is all one thing. అదంతా ఒక ఆస్పెక్ట్ అంటే that is absolutely about your personality. This is about your technical personality. MS Word రావాలి, MS Excel రావాలి, because MS Word is something that I've dealt with right from the time I was in Dell 2014. నేను అది ఆన్ ద జాబ్ నేర్చేసుకున్నా, నాకు చాలా బెనిఫిట్ అయింది. బికాస్ బర్కేడియాలో వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూయింగ్ లీగల్ అండర్ వాళ్ళ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అన్ని కూడా దే వర్ ఇన్ MS Word. Touch wood, I knew how to format so I could succeed in that role. లేకపోతే ఎప్పుడో they would have put me in PIP and that would have gone for us. The reason why I succeeded at Barcadia and my current role is because I knew how MS Word is. MS Excel, finance student, marketing student, HR student kaadu. Working knowledge of MS Excel ప్రతి MBA గ్రాడ్ కి ఉండాలి. టైం లేదు అనకండి, ఎప్పుడు టైం ఉంటుంది, వీకెండ్స్ ఉంటాయి, లేదా ఒక 2 nights పడుకోకుండా చదవండి, ఏం పర్లేదు. ఎందుకంటే MS Excel వచ్చింది అంటే బిలీవ్ మీ యూ కెన్ ఎర్న్ అ లాట్. ఈజీగా 50,000-55,000 వరకు జాబ్స్ వస్తాయి, రైట్? MS Outlook, ఈమెయిల్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అనేది చాలా చాలా కామన్, ఇట్స్ యూజ్డ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద వరల్డ్. MS PowerPoint, ఇగో ఇలాంటి ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ చేయాలి అంటే we need MS PowerPoint. Entire MS package and awareness of every menu on every application. Easy. So ikkada I wanted to add one point. The thing is, right, you need to ensure that you actually identify what you want to do once during your MBA time. ఈ 2 years లో just decide what you want to do. లేదు లైఫ్ హ్యాస్ అదర్ ప్లాన్స్ అంటే ఆ PDS సైకిల్ అప్లై చేసుకొని ensure that whatever you want to do you will do. Number 1. And number 2 is maintain clarity, maintain connections. You need to ensure that you're actually a people's person. Interpersonal skills అనేవి చాలా చాలా important, right? And career opportunities when it comes to MBA grads, what I can tell you is finance analyst గా వెళ్ళొచ్చు, బిజినెస్ అనలిస్ట్ గా వెళ్ళొచ్చు, హెచ్ఆర్ అనలిస్ట్ డెలాయిట్ లో రోల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బర్కేడియాలో రోల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఐ థింక్ దెర్ ఆర్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికాలో ఉన్నాయి, కార్వి, ఫ్యాక్సెట్. సో నేను ఏం చెప్తానంటే మీరు ఈ కంపెనీ పేజెస్కి వెళ్ళి కెరియర్ సెక్షన్కి వెళ్ళిపోండి స్ట్రైట్. దట్ విల్ మేక్ యువర్ లైఫ్ ఈజీ. కెరియర్ సెక్షన్కి వెళ్ళండి, జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్స్ చదవండి, యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. నా వాట్ ఈస్ ద సీక్రెట్ ఆఫ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అ జాబ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఈస్, ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే దిల్ బి లైక్ యూ నీడ్ టు బి సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేటెడ్ అంటారు, రైట్? Google self-motivated, it's okay. Take that 15-20 minutes to understand every technical term in a job description. All right. And there was this one thing where they said process initiatives తీసుకోవాలి. You know, there, if there are resource, there was this word where they said resourceless. I'm not getting the word. Kani, you know, you need to be very, very, you know, clear in terms of understanding what those words mean. They have these particular action verbs in type, like, you know, very understanding, legally, you know, there's so many things in job descriptions. Probably I can share, probably in our next session, I'll definitely take a session on understanding job descriptions so that you're able to tailor your resume in accordance to that. Easy. Next. So this is what I have to offer, and this is how our session is. All right. And I would like to thank God, my faculty, my husband and parents for accepting my flaws, teaching me how to correct myself and groom me to suit every environment. నేను environment అని ఇన్సిస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను because you need to basically modulate your behavior, the way you dress, the way you talk to people based on every environment. College లో ఉన్నట్టు ఆఫీస్ లో ఉండలేము, ఆఫీస్ లో ఉన్నట్టు ఇంట్లో ఉండలేము. You need to learn to be a chameleon with the right shades. Caring ఉండాలి, ఆఫీస్ లో caring ఉంటే పనిలో, right? So you need to learn to develop those shades, and I believe that life is a mix of magic and effort. Effort comes first, magic comes next. And any doubts you have, you can always you know, ping me personally, or I'm also there on LinkedIn, so you guys can follow me. And any questions you can always ask me, I'm always there. So with this, I think I am done. Would you guys want to say anything, or any questions, any feedback? Everything is a welcome.
So thank you so much for all the valuable inputs, Harini Nakka. So I would like to hand over the vote of thanks to Sai Teja.
Oh, wait, Kitra, let the students interact, ma. 1 second. Students, this is a golden opportunity to all of you. I request you all to please pose as many doubts as you have, because you rarely get a chance to interact with such people.
Yeah, that's what I am also surprised actually. If all the students are hearing this. Hi, I'm Shivakumar, the father of Harini. Good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir. How are you? How are you doing?
Yes, I am fine, ma. Excellent. I am excellent actually. I'm working, I mean, my business is going on at low pace, but you know, I'm very strong because I'm father of Harini. So I am also strong, though business is at low ebb. That's one important thing.
Yes, sir. Sir, we met in the college once, sir, actually. You have visited Srinidhi once, sir.
Yeah, I shall do that. And if necessary, you know, practical versus learned. You know, what the difference? I can take a small session also if you are interested. That's not a problem. You can inform to Harini anytime by giving 3-4 days advance time. No, I'm only surprised that when Harini is explaining so many things, though I know each and every aspect what Harini is speaking about, still, you know, I'm getting certain doubts. Though I have answers, still I'm getting doubts. And so many children are, so many students are listening, and I'm surprised. There are so many questions actually anybody can ask. Like, you know, for example, writing resolution, the resume, and you know, though you don't know things, you have to add there. then there will be a question. And Harni also told that you should have basic knowledge. Then how to acquire basic knowledge, or if I fail, what happens? So many questions can be posed on. But it's surprised. Children, I'm happy that you all are listening, but at the same
Online,
time,
but guys,
be interactive, be
post
interactive.
questions, yeah, there. Nenunnanu, so you can actually go ahead on that.
To me?
No, you have a question? Go on.
No, better. Let them ask. Let them ask.
Yes,
question.
manam phone lo eppudaina maatladukochu. I'm really waiting for questions, guys.
See, for example, I'll tell you, I want to take only half a minute. Harini has applied for a job which she was not at all aware of the functions or the character of the job. But fortunately, she had 25 days time for the interview. And I remember day and night, she studied for 3 weeks. And then she should get, she attended the interview and she came second in the interview. And after attending also, when she was performing too, there was so many doubts. She used to come home and sit immediately at night, study up to 1 o'clock, and then be ready for the next day. So all these things had happened. So for that, there should be basic questions. Then only she'll be able to come back and give the answers for that.
Yeah. So guys, you have actually understood the importance of asking questions. Industry experience, I'm always there. All right. Okay, if you guys are not comfortable asking questions on the phone, on the webinar session that we're having now, you can go ahead and ask me personally, professionally. You can video call me. I know ask Kirtan and Aditya, and forever unnanu. And I'm always there to take care of you guys. Okay. So
yeah, last half a second. Sorry, Nana. Last half a second. If there are no questions, means either they know everything, or they not understand anything. You all proceed then. Thank you very much, Ma.
Yeah. No worries,
Good performance, Jumki. Good performance, Jumki.
Thank you.
And teachers of lectures of Srinidhi, I'm thankful for picking Harini for this orientation class. Thanks a lot. I'm signing off. Abhiruchi Shivakumar. Bye.
Bye. So what type of technical qualities should we have to get into data analyst? I have an IT person at home. What I can suggest is a data analyst role. I'm not sure, I can answer questions about finance opportunities, marketing opportunities. Data analyst is something I can prepare and give you an answer by tomorrow morning, because I know people who are working in this industry. Then while the one-on-one phone calls petkoni, I'll make notes and I'll respond back to you. Okay, na? This moment, I'm not sure if I can commit. Oh, okay. No worries. Next question, enti? అడగండి అమ్మా, మీరు చెప్తున్నా కదా ఇంత సైలెంట్ ఉంటే ఆ పనులు అవ్వవు. అడగండి, గో ఫర్ ఇట్.
హలో
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గో ఆన్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అక్క.
అడుగు.
ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్ లో ఉన్న డిమాండ్ కి జస్ట్ ఎంబీఏ ఫైనాన్స్ ఒక్కటి చేసి వెళ్తే సరిపోతుందా? ఎక్స్ట్రా కోర్సెస్ చేయడం ఎంతవరకు ఇంపార్టెంట్?
హైలీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని నేను సజెస్ట్ చేస్తానమ్మా. The reason why I would suggest this is, with MBA, I knew that MBA finance lo, I'll be honest with you, నేను finance degree చేశాను, కానీ I still had issues with accounting. Accounting రాలా. And then what I did was, నేను extra course చేశాను about strategic accounting. And what I realized is, ఆ కోర్స్ యొక్క ఇంపార్టెన్స్ నేను ఆస్ట్రేలియా వచ్చాక నాకు అర్థమైంది. బికాస్ ఎనీ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ స్కిల్ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ గుడ్ స్కిల్. ఎందుకంటే అది మీకు ఇప్పుడు కాకపోయినా లైఫ్ లో ఫర్దర్ అన్న మీరు గో హెడ్ అవుతారు. నాకు ఎంఎస్ ఎక్సెల్ రాలేదు. నేను ఇండియాకి వచ్చి ఆ ట్రైనింగ్ సెషన్ ఏదైతే తీసుకున్నానో అందులో నేను సర్టిఫై అయ్యాను. ఐ బికేమ్ సర్టిఫైడ్ ఏమంటారు ఎక్స్పర్ట్ యూజర్ ఇన్ ఎంఎస్ ఎక్సెల్. సో కాలేజ్ లో ఎక్సెల్ నేర్చుకున్నాను, కానీ నేను అయినా ఎక్స్ట్రా కోర్సెస్ చేశాను. దానివల్ల నాకు ఏమవుతుంది తెలుసా, ఇప్పుడు A+B+1+1 = 2 అని మీకు 2 అన్న ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కదా. it doesn't end there. ఆ వన్ లో ఏముంది, ఆ వన్ లో ఉన్న కంటెంట్ ఏంటో అర్థం అవ్వాలి, ఆ +1 లో ఉన్న కంటెంట్ ఏంటో అర్థం అవ్వాలి, ఈ ఎక్స్ట్రా కోర్సెస్ మీకు ఆ 1+1 లో ఏంటో అర్థం అవుతుంది, అండ్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ 2 ఎలా అయింది, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ యువర్ దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ యూ స్టాండ్ అవుట్ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్ బికాస్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఇస్ హయ్యర్, అండ్ that's what I wanted to add.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పిన దాని ప్రకారం మీ సజెషన్ లో ఎట్లాంటి కోర్సెస్ చేయడం బెటర్ అంటారు అలాంగ్ విత్ MBA?
Along with MBA, what I can tell you is Master Excel, guys. Master Excel, Master ఏమంటారు MS Word, అవన్నీ కూడా. Tally is good. Accounting software packages are good. And you have a lot of courses available online as well. Coursera.com lo chudandi. There are many that focus on investments, insurances, tarvata Y2C, mutual funds, everything, anything and everything that's available, you can actually look into it.
Sorry to add to this, Harini, I just wanted to add one more point. Students, any course that you wanted to take up, you should first understand where you wanted to end up your career at. See, if you have a clear-cut goal that you are going to work in this particular field, then the courses will come all the way, right? So you can't just keep touching all the courses and finishing all the courses, because certificates do not add value. Ultimately, what adds value is your knowledge. So what I suggest personally, as Harini already mentioned, is please do such courses which add value to your existing knowledge. Is that fine, Harini? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, ma'am. I will definitely agree to that. And నాకు ఇంకోటి ఏమైందంటే, నేను మార్కెటింగ్ అన్నప్పుడు I learned digital marketing, search engine optimization when I wanted to get into marketing, right? And then I knew that it added value to me, but it ended there because నేను all of a sudden నాకు తెలియకుండా ఫైనాన్స్ కి జంప్ I will never ever regret it, but it's the biggest adventure of my life from finance.
Yes. I can even recollect that room where you just put a tick mark on finance specialization in an exam hall.
It was crazy. But then the one thing that I learned is finance exposure avadam toti naku already, because I worked with Dell and I came back, naku connections unnaru, na networking akkada help ayindi to understand what was needed in the market. And inkoti, I could not have, I knew that all these packages are costly and all that, so నేను నాకు దొరికిన ఆ 4,000 rupees institute లో పెళ్ళాక్ కూడా చేశాను, and believe me, I've actually learned Excel. అలాంటి institutes లో నేర్చుకుంటే where there are people to teach you, that is good. High end ఏమంటారు fancy institutions కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు, I do understand, but also check your affordability for such courses. And Karthik actually responded to your inquiry. He says you can do math related courses specifically, and for data analysis you can learn Python R. So that's what he said. I'll actually look into it for you. Guys, great coming. I also need about data analyst. Bojja Smruti Bangaram, నేను నీకు ఇంకా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తాను, ఓకేనా? దానిపైన. Now, how LinkedIn helps in getting opportunities. LinkedIn లో if you look at it కదా, మీరు ఒక కీవర్డ్ కొట్టండి, ఫైనాన్స్ అని కొట్టి జాబ్స్ అని ఉంటుంది అక్కడ ఆప్షన్, లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి 4th అనుకుంటా, అది కొట్టండి. మీకు అక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్డ్ ఇన్ వన్ జాబ్ పోర్టల్ విచ్ ఇస్ LinkedIn, the same thing is being advertised all over. But LinkedIn is more formal కాబట్టి you can apply for roles through LinkedIn, and every company actually goes through your LinkedIn profile. So dantoti you guys can actually understand what opportunities are there, and it's a great tool for networking. I think I'm applying for a nice role which is ATO reporting analyst. Touch wood, I'm praying God I get it. కానీ నేను ఆ role కి అప్లై చేసుకోవాలన్నా కూడా LinkedIn లోనే నెట్వర్కింగ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను, because opportunity కి అప్లై చేయడం ఒకటి, that is one thing. Opportunity కోసము మీరు you need to sell your skills, and your skills can only be sold when a recruiter, a hiring recruiter who's got a LinkedIn profile themselves actually visit your page to understand what you're up to. And pray guys, I get that role. I'm trying really hard. Okay, I'm from BTech background. Now I feel finance is a bit difficult, so I'm confused to take marketing or HR. Finance difficult kaadu. Finance is crazy and complicated to me. But you know what actually helped me master it? Practice. పొద్దున మధ్యాహ్నం రాత్రి మా నాన్న నాకు కూర్చోబెట్టి అకౌంట్స్ నేర్పించారు, అమ్మ అకౌంట్స్ నేర్పించింది, హరినా taught me accounts. This is what I did outside faculty. Faculty was excellent. Don't even ask Vishwanath sir, Sukanya ma'am, and Soumya ma'am. మాకప్పుడు ఒక మంచి సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్పారు, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫైనాన్స్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అని. That was my favorite. So the thing is, right, identify which aspect of finance you like and you can go ahead with it. It's not difficult, guys. No subject is difficult. Marketing or HR lo kuda you can think about it. But then marketing lo aithe you can actually get into digital marketing and online online content development kinda vellachu meeru. And you can also join Google. From what I know, one of my friends is actually working there, HR lo kuda. And what you suggest, how I can choose, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can suggest. I can definitely guide you in whatever field you take. Nenu unnanu. Okay, but you need to be clear on what you want to do. Ee 3 minds lo nunchi, 3 options lo nunchi one option ki teeseskondi meer. You need to decide what is good. Okay, what actually Berkadia is looking for finance students like investment banker or credit analyst or asset manager from a fresher. The thing is, right, Berkadia has a beautiful program called BCRE. BCRE చేసే ముందు ఒక ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది, అండ్ నేను అది రాశాను. అండ్ ఆ తర్వాత ఆ BCRE లో సెలెక్ట్ అయిన, ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి సెలెక్ట్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ కి Berkadia gave 360 degrees ట్రైనింగ్. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న ప్రతి కాంప్లికేటెడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కి వాళ్ళు టీచింగ్ ఇచ్చారు. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ వాజ్ అ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ 1.5 months. December to January చేశారు, January 15th వరకు. అండ్ దెన్ దే ఇంటర్వ్యూడ్ us, and then Feb 1st కి I joined Berkadia. So ఇంటర్వ్యూ సెషన్స్ లో వాట్ దే డిడ్ వాజ్, ఆ మొత్తం ట్రైనింగ్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఆ ట్రైనింగ్ లో choose which aspect you are most comfortable with and you can discuss that in your interview session and it will go from there. So that is what Berkadia looks for. Berkadia is like a 360 degrees organization. అందులో అన్ని ఉంటాయి. You have your enhanced developed skill set and you present yourself at the interview. మీకు ఏ రోల్ ఇవ్వాలి అనేది అక్కడ మేనేజర్స్ కి తెలుసు, అక్కడ హైరింగ్ మేనేజర్స్ కి, HR లకి తెలుసు, because that is their job. Okay na? And everyone says that there is less scope in HR. Is it true? This is a human resources question. Okay, to be honest with you, scope gurinchi I'm not sure if I can comment, because a beginning is a beginning. HR లో స్కోప్ లేదు అని నేనైతే చెప్పలేను, బికాస్ HR లో స్కోప్ ఉంది, కానీ కాంపిటీషన్ కూడా అంతే ఉంది. మీరు ఇక్కడి నుంచి HR చేశారంటే ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఎవరో IIM నుంచో లేకపోతే అబ్రాడ్ నుంచి HR స్కిల్స్ తీసుకొని వస్తారు, వాళ్ళని తీసుకుంటారు. సో ఇక్కడ స్కోప్ గురించి కాదు, ఎన్ష్యూర్ దట్ యువర్ యాక్చువల్లీ డెవలప్డ్. Does SAP help us in getting a good job, Akka? And is that course complicated? SAP anedi, I know what it is, but I cannot comment on it at the moment. Nen deeniki consultation teeskuntanu, and I will discuss what SAP is in the group chat. Okay, and which has more demand in the market? Is it marketing or finance? If you have to compare, నేనైతే ఫైనాన్స్ అనే చెప్పి, బికాస్ ఐ లవ్ ఫైనాన్స్. ఫైనాన్స్ కి ఎక్స్పైరీ లేదు. మార్కెటింగ్, మై డాడ్ వాజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ అ మార్కెటింగ్ విజార్డ్ వెన్ హీ వాజ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ కోజిలాన్. హీ వాజ్ ఐ థింక్ జనరల్ మేనేజర్ ఫర్ ఇండియానో ఏదో. అప్పుడు ఒకలా ఉండింది మార్కెటింగ్, ఇప్పుడు ఒకలా ఉండింది. నేషనల్ అండ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డిమాండ్ అంటే గైస్, ఇన్ ది ఎండ్ దెర్ ఇస్ డిమాండ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ కోర్స్ దట్ యు ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూయింగ్. బ్రాడ్ ఓవర్ వ్యూ అంటే, సి ద పాయింట్ ఇస్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అనే సబ్జెక్ట్, అది ఇండియన్ కరిక్యులం లో ఉందో లేదో నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ అది US మార్కెట్ లో అయితే డిమాండ్ లో. అండ్ ఐ నో అ పర్సన్ హూస్ పాస్డ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ Polytechnic University, California. That guy did his international marketing there, and now that person is earning 1 lakh per month. So foreign లో డిమాండ్ ఉంది. ఇండియాలో ఉందో లేదో మీరు యాక్చువల్లీ మీకు తెలిసిన సర్కిల్ లో తెలుసుకొని యూ కెన్ యాక్చువల్లీ గో అహెడ్. ఓకేనా? Cool. As of my research, I came to know that digital marketing is having mostly value in foreign. అగో చెప్పాగా, డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఆర్గనైజేషనల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్. డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ కి డిమాండ్ అని అయితే ఎప్పుడు ఉంది. వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ టు మార్కెటింగ్ కదా, దే వాజ్ దిస్ పర్సన్, ఆయన పేరు ఫేస్బుక్ లో చెక్ చేస్తా, దీపక్, ఉండండి ఒక్క నిమిషం, దీపక్ కనకరాజు. దిస్ గై, I don't know. So this guy, Deepak Kanakaraju. So this guy is actually digital marketing manager, and he actually offers free degrees. So నేను నా స్కిల్ అంతా ఈయన దగ్గరే నేర్చుకున్నాను for digital marketing, and what I realized is it actually has value in abroad as well. Marketing opportunities ఉన్నాయి. So but then they'll actually use you for content marketing, website developing, అలాంటి వాటికి కూడా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటారు మిమ్మల్ని. అండ్ బిజినెస్ అనలిస్ట్ కి పైథాన్ అండ్ SQL చాలా. Karthik, would you want to add value to it? Come over. Mahina, I think he is the IT expert and he does hiring for IT. Come over. Go on.
Yeah, I can actually
Come over.
I'll not come over on the video, but I'll give a heads up on that.
Yeah.
So maybe for business analysis, what we'll be looking at, so if you are in the technical space, is that we will be looking depending on the type of roles you're looking for. A functional business analyst doesn't require any sort of certifications. It's more the transferable skills. When I say transferable skills, I mean you'll be either talking to stakeholders, you'll be taking requirements, you'll be trained on those things. So those are the cross-functional things that you'll be looking after. But if you have to look
Clearly the voice. Can you come here? Sorry.
Sure.
You don't know.
No,
And I don't think you're on video, or you're on video.
I'm absolutely not sure. You guys can hear me?
I think they can. They can hear you now. Go on.
Not sure. No one's saying anything, so
Clearly
I'm
that's
absolutely
how
not.
We can hear you, sir.
Yes, Crispin.
Awesome. So for the technical business analyst role, you will have to get all the details. Like when you say certifications, Python and R are not mandatory for technical business analyst at all. So I was talking about Python and R from more of a data analyst perspective. For technical business analyst, it depends on what sort of role you're applying for. For a functional business analyst, you don't have to need any certifications at all. You can just directly apply for a role, and all you have to have is transferable skills. So hope that makes it clear.
I think so. Yeah. Go on, guys. Shoot more questions.
I actually can't see.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
we are still on the call.
Yeah. We are on the call.
Any other questions, guys? Do you have anything else that you wanted me to answer, or I'm happy to let Harini take over?
I don't think so. Can they mute or unmute themselves?
They can unmute themselves. Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I don't think they have any more questions. So let's wait for 1 minute. It's true.
And also, yep.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పినట్టు టెక్నికల్ కోర్సెస్ పర్స్యూ చేసిన తర్వాత కూడా వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ అ జాబ్ 100% ఫర్ షూర్?
See, I wouldn't give you a 100% go on a technical course itself. It is all like Harini told you. It's all about your intercommunication skills. You guys are freshers. You do not have an experience coming into the market, so we do not expect you to hit the ground running. I do a lot of senior leadership hiring, so I talk from a leadership perspective and I talk from a senior engineering perspective. But as far as freshers are concerned, what we will actually look for is the willingness to learn. So we will be looking whether you guys are able to learn new things, whether we can put you forward into a different role where you can actually pick it up and bring all your skills as well.
BTech IT plus MBA.
I am from BTech IT. I've done my master's in business administration. So, and I also did my master's in IT. So it is very much a killer combination that you're looking out for. So you can either go into a technical role or you can go into a management role going forward as well.
What technical skills are required other than MS Office? Tally, as companies are looking for multitaskers. I'll take this.
I will actually take a little bit more on that as well. So I wouldn't say what technical skills. So when it comes to technical skills, you'll have to point it towards a specific role. So if you're looking after an accounting role, I'd say Tally and probably CA kind of thing. But if you're looking for more of a business analyst role, I'll say probably any agile certifications, any agile PMP certifications that will add on to your experience going forward as well.
Who will be given more importance in the market? You know what? I love the mix of questions.
See, there's nothing like who will be given more importance in the market. For someone who's coming from a technical background and doing an MBA, They might want to end up being a technical business analyst or a technical project manager and stuff. So these people have the initial edge over the person who's coming from a BCom background when it comes to technical roles. But if you're talking about roles which are more on financial space or accounting space or CA space, I'd say BCom will have more edge over BTech people. So it depends on the role that you're looking out for. If you're looking at a technical role, the starting point would be basically BTech will have a better start, but then it doesn't make BCom people at a disadvantage as well, because we are looking for your learning skill more than your technical skill from day one.
Does marketing or digital marketing have good scope in present market?
Good question again. So there are few roles very specific to digital marketing. People are all, with COVID hitting the market, you can actually see that people are not getting into traditional markets. So at the moment, going forward as well, I'd say digital marketing will have more scope.
But that does not reduce the importance of traditional marketing as well, because word of mouth marketing kuda chala thrive avutundi market lo, because even if I'll take an example of Abhiruchi Caterers. I know that my father has applied for business leads in Sulekha, Just Dial and all that. అందులో నుంచి వచ్చే రీచ్ కంటే ఆయన ఒక కేటరింగ్ లో చేసే ఒక కేటరింగ్ చేయడం తోటి ఆ కేటరింగ్ లో వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ నచ్చి వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ మౌత్ మార్కెటింగ్ అయింది. దాంతో సంబడి ఎల్స్ కాల్డ్ అప్ ఫర్ బిజినెస్, అక్కడ నుంచి రీచ్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. సో బోత్ గో హ్యాండ్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్, బట్ బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ మోర్ ఆఫ్ అ టెక్నికల్ జనరేషన్, ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ దట్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ హ్యాస్ మోర్ స్కోప్.
Like you said, if you're applying for companies like Coca-Cola and stuff, we will need traditional marketing. Cadbury, Coca-Cola, and all product-related companies, they will need traditional marketing. For companies which are more in the technology space, you'll be needing more of digital marketing. For example, let me say Cognizant, let me say HPs, Deloitte, and all. You don't see direct marketing from them.
Yeah, I'll take a second here. Yeah, with your permission, I'll take a second here. The benefit of digital marketing which you are discussing is, it's very has got a very high importance. For example, as you were telling that I was in Sulekha and Just Dial paying lakhs of rupees, and then I have engaged one direct digital marketing technician under me, so that I can do the changes of my life. So then we discussed, and today, without any Sulekha, without any Just Dial, just in digital marketing promotion as well as the Google ads, today I'm able to generate more and more business. So that is the advantage. And as usual, he has, he's promoting in all sources of digital marketing and Google Pay Google ad payment. These all helped me to generate more business than what I used to pay earlier. I used to pay 10 to 12 lakhs. Today, that total amount is saved, and only 50,000 or 70,000 rupees, I'm able to generate that much business now. That is the benefit and advantage of the digital marketing. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption.
No worries, ma'am. That's about it. Thank you. I just wanted to add, my father holds around 32 to 35 years of experience in marketing. So you actually have someone who has done the 9 to 5 job for almost, let's say 20 years, and then 15 years of entrepreneurial experience. Is one of very well-known caterers in Hyderabad called Abhiruchi Caterers. So make catering to go for it, guys. Nenu ma nanna number kuda share chestanu.
Anyways, coming back to questions as well. So guys, just wanted to add a bit more in terms of LinkedIn as well. So if you're asking about what skills and what technological skills that you guys would like to have a look at LinkedIn, have a go into the jobs profile section. I'm sure Harini would have covered it. Have a look at the job briefs that the recruiters are posting. You'll understand what sort of requirements they're asking for and what sort of technicalities they're asking for. And then you will be able to pick out, like, look at 5 or 6 different adverts of same kind of roles, and then you'll understand what is the common things that they need.
easy. We have another question. Okay. I want to do a job and gain some experience and set up my own business. Is it really required for me to go through the courses you have mentioned just to do a job for 3 to 4 years and gain the market knowledge?
We are not asking you to do any course. So it is up to you. We are just answering to the questions like, does courses help? So it's completely up to you. If you want to start a business tomorrow, you can go and start. I'll always say that it's the experience that's a big learning for you rather than it's the course. You need to take the experience and then you need to take the knowledge along with it as well. So there's no point in doing the same mistake again. So I always keep saying this, even in uni as well. No question is a stupid question. So ask as many questions as you want to do. And you always have to learn from your mistakes as well. Do mistakes, but don't do the same one twice.
Oh, ఇది నాకు చాలా చాలా బెనిఫిట్ అయింది బికాజ్ నేను క్వాలిటీ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ కి నాకు 0 వచ్చింది. నేను నేర్చుకుంటూ ఇంటికి వచ్చాను. అండ్ దెన్ కార్తిక్ వాజ్ లైక్, హరిని టేక్ ద లర్నింగ్, కానీ అది మళ్ళీ చేయి. Groom yourself in such a way that that mistake doesn't happen, but a new mistake happens. Organizations are always happy to keep people who do not commit same mistakes again. And business administration jobs ki elanti skills undali akka. I'll take this. Yeah, sure. Okay. The thing is, right, business administration jobs kanna kuda, what I can say is, acha, administrator nenaithe first thing, whatever product you are handling as a business administrator, a product paina full pattu undali. You need to know that product inside out, and you need to be able to understand the technical aspect of that product. Nenu superannuation ki insurance underwriting chestanu. So superannuation is like a fund annamata. ఆ ఫండ్ లో ఉన్న డబ్బుల్లో నుంచి బ్యాలెన్స్ డిడక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఆ బ్యాలెన్స్ డిడక్ట్ ఏదైతే అవుతుందో దాట్ పేస్ ఫర్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్. ఆ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కి నేను అండర్ రైటింగ్ చేస్తా, రైట్? వెన్ దాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, ఆ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ లో పాలసీస్ ఏంటి అనేది నాకు ఫస్ట్ తెలియాలి. ఎలాంటి సమ్ ఇన్షోర్డ్ ఎంత, ఎలాంటి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏజ్ బేస్డ్ కవరా, అంటే ఒక ఏజ్ కి ఎంత ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చార్జ్ చేస్తారు, ఏ ఏజ్ కి ఆ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఎక్స్పైర్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఐమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు సే ఇస్ యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ technical knowledge of the product you are being made as a underwriting admin, right? That's one part. 2, so that is the quality knowledge that you need to have. Along with that, process la emana tappu ayindi ante you should be in a position to actually suggest new process practices. So you need to have process initiative skills. You need to be open to change as well, right? 3, you need to understand the system that is used to underwrite a business policy. Akkada IT knowledge ane chala important, which is why probably I am telling you that you need to know your IT as well, because sometimes people won't be there to assist you and sometimes people will be there to assist you. So you need to understand what is required as well. So business administration jobs ki ilanti skills undali. Technical knowledge, finance, అక్కడక్కడ మార్కెటింగ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, because you need to promote your own business for insurance, right? For members to take your insurance. So you need to have marketing and sales skills as well to sell the product. Cool. Any more questions, guys? Oh my God, yeah. I know. All right then. Probably we can take another one. It's been 1.5 hours, I don't know. Cool. Those who want to start business can inform Harini. Okay. Good, guys. Clear so far? No new doubts group lo adutam. All right. Unna ma group lo happy ga. You can ask me. I'm always there. You can connect with me on LinkedIn professionally. Harini Namallapudi is the email ID. Nenu type chesi pedtanu. I'm always there. RINI space NEMALLAPUDI. On that note, thank you guys for this beautiful opportunity. Faculty ki chala thanks. Samya ma'am, thank you for making me participate in the session, and thank you Aditya, thank you Kirtana, thank you everybody for supporting me. And So did you guys finally like the session? You can also share feedback in the group chat or here. Okay, na? So that's about it. Pilalu?
Thank you, Harini. Thank you so much for readily accepting and giving a kickstart to this alumni sessions of webinars. A series of webinars are actually being planned, and you are the first runner.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for making it so successful and interactive. And I should personally thank Karthik and Sir Shivkumar Sir for being there for the students, for guiding them, for providing them all the valuable insights that you have provided. I now request Kirtana to please take forward the session.
It's our pleasure. Thank you and bye.
Thank you so much, Akka. It was great, and the valuable inputs you have given is readily accepted by all of us. Thank you so much. I now request Sai Teja to give vote of thanks.
Am I audible clearly?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go on. Yep.
A very good afternoon to Mrs. Harini Akka, all the faculty members and my dear friends. I am Sai Teja Baswaraju, pursuing first year of MBA from Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this webinar a success. On behalf of School of Management Studies SNIST and the entire fraternity of the Institute, first of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty for making today's webinar a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was. On behalf of School of Management Studies SNIST, I give a really heartfelt vote of thanks to Mrs. Harini, who spent her busiest time gracing the occasion. Today, we had opportunity to take guidance from your personal experiences. You have fed us with a lot of information and the skills required like teamwork, resilience, how to cope up with the changes in our situations, what part does networking play in our lives, and how to be market ready, how to attend interviews. And all this information is very helpful for us. And this is definitely encouraging us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. Thanks to Mrs. Harini for adorning the occasion and sharing her opinions today. I would also like to thank Mr. Vijay Raghavan, who took the time for giving us valuable inputs like how small things in everybody's life helps us in being successful, how the market works, and giving us the inspiration and motivation, which has boosted our levels of confidence. This will definitely play a key role in shaping our future, sir. Thank you, Mr. Shivakumar, sir, for interacting with us and sharing your experiences. Thank you, Mr. Karthik, sir, for giving vast knowledge about the IT field. Thank you very much, sir. And I need to mention the deep sense of appreciation and thank all the staff within the Institute for giving us the opportunity to look into new possible ways into our future. Finally, I would like to thank all my friends who are present here today, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Mrs. Harini ma'am, Mr. Karthik sir, all the faculty members, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I would like to say that we all are most grateful to Mrs. Harini, Mr. Vijay Raghavan, Mr. Karthik sir, and all the staff. We thank you for being with us this evening. It is a great pleasure. Have an awesome evening, and thank you very much.
Sweet.
No worries, guys. Good luck with all your searches for all the people who are coming into the market.
And all the best.
It's always a tough pill to swallow. The first job journey. I've gone through that, but stay strong. You guys will get through that. Good luck.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do I end the session?
Yeah.
How do I end the session?
Close.
Sure.
Kirtana, you can please end the session now. Harini, you can leave the meeting, ma.
Oh, I can. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Looking
worries,
forward to
ma'am.
learning more sessions from you.
Thank you, ma'am. My pleasure. I'll always be there.
Karthik ji, even expecting you as a speaker for one of our sessions.
I'll definitely try. I'll
You are
definitely
such
try
a
to do.
versatile speaker, seriously.
Awesome. I'll definitely try to give my inputs. I have given my inputs to Harini in this one as well. So
Yeah,
I'll try
yeah.
to give my inputs wherever I can.
Thank you. Thank you so much, both
Thank
of
No
you.
worries. Happy to help.
Happy, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Kirtana, you can end the session, Kirtana.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It's ending. I think you can close. It's